guys, this is from Merchant of Venice, Shakespeare's play, of course. They have it in their syllabus. Now, this is the scene where Shylock's daughter, the Jew's daughter, Jessica, is planning to elope with Lorenzo. And Lorenzo has come with his friends under her balcony to take her, but she's dressed as a boy. They're planning to elope just before Shylock enters the house, and the father has no inkling about this. So, Kanishk here is Lorenzo the lover. Priyal is, of course, the pretty Jessica, and she sounds very amorous when she speaks. So I think you're going to like it. And Arman is the narrator, with Shrikrit playing Graciano, Lorenzo's friend. So I think, yeah.
The Merchant of Venice, Act 2, Scene 6. The scene is set outside Shylock's house. Shylock's daughter Jessica is about to elope with a Christian Lorenzo. Lorenzo's friends are waiting for him under Jessica's balcony. This scene reminds us of the balcony scene in Shakespeare's Romeo and Juliet. Strangely though, Lorenzo, like any other modern hero, is late. His friends eagerly await his arrival and in the meanwhile are discussing the plight of the new lovers. Graciano and Salarino are dressed as maskers on the street outside Shylock's house.
Lorenzo asked us to wait under this penthouse, and now the tomcat is late to get his mouse. Unlike him to be late, for he seems so full of passion to get his bait. Which man rises from a feast with the keen appetite that he sits down? Love begins with all smiles, but ends with a frown. Initially, the fire is intense. The lover will undergo all pains, but eventually reality strikes, and he himself douses the flame. It's the universal truth that means matter more than the end. When love hits its saturation, one would rather break than bend. A ship all decorated and majestic sets out to sail, but when it comes back, it looks all battered and pale. Lovers too begin their journey with emotions and grandeur undefined, only to realize later that love and blind.
Lorenzo enters looking haggard and tired. Despite that, he is welcomed and admired. Meeting his friends, together they conspire to get the damsel that his heart desires.
Thank you, friends, for your patience and breath awaited. I know I am late, but for me you have waited. I love thee, so that when it's going to be your turn to get a wife, I'll wait for you from morn till night, that too without a strife. This is the place where the Jew resides. His jewels, his profits, and his daughter he hides. Let's go and check if my lady is said to come with me. I am sure she is going to leave their house without much fuss. Hello there. Who dwells within?
Your lady love, who is ready to sin. But before I acknowledge you as my heart's cure, assure me that your intentions are good and pure.
I am your lover, your hero, your soul mate.
Yes, my love, you've come to seal my fate. Confirm that you are mine and I'm yours.
Yes, cent%, my heart assures.
I think we can keep this drama aside and quickly elope before I hurt my father's pride. Catch this casket, it's going to be worth the pain. Anyways, you don't work much, so this is all you'll gain. I'm glad it's night time and you can't see me. Cause if you would most definitely flee. I am dressed as a boy, camouflaging my look. I will go to any extent for you, break all the rule books.
My heart fills with pride to see you, my love. You are much more than love, more than I deserve. You are the torchbearer, you'll carry the flame.
What? Do you want me to hold a candle to my shame? It's best I be obscured, I be hidden in the dark. I'm much like the nightingale, not a lark.
Oh, stop it, you are as sweet as honey. You are intelligent, smart, and oh so funny. Even dressed as a boy, you continue to impress. You look so pretty, even in the wrong dress.
Okay, now I am blushing. I've turned beetroot red. You filled me with love, my ego you fed. Give me 5 before I run past the doors. I'll fill up my pockets with riches galore, so that we can live happily ever after, leaving behind my obnoxious, silly father.
You are truly blessed to have her in your life. Marry her and make her your wife.
People might think of me to be crazy to want my enemy's daughter, but I simply cannot resist her love, her honesty and her laughter. She is the dew on the flowers in the early morn. She is on my mind from dusk to dawn.
Here, my love, I am ready to go. Wherever you take me, we must rush, you know.
The lovers merrily elope and the curtain falls.